Ever feel anxious about whether your Moneygram money order actually reached its destination? Well, worrying no more, because in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to track your Moneygram money order in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the Moneygram website. The link is in the description below for easy access. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Track a Transfer section. It's usually prominently displayed, often near the top of the page. Click on it. This will take you to the tracking form. Here, you'll need to key pieces of information: your reference number and the last name of the recipient. The reference number is a unique code assigned to your transaction, so keep it safe. You can find this on your receipt. The last name must match the one provided at the time of the transfer. Carefully enter both the reference number and the recipient's last name into the respective fields. Double-check to ensure that you've entered everything correctly to avoid any errors. Once you've entered all the information, click the Track button, usually located right below the form. This will bring you to a page displaying the current status of your money order. You'll see details like whether the funds have been received, where the money is, and the date of collection. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily monitor your Moneygram transactions and enjoy peace of mind knowing exactly where your money is.